it's Marcella from Mink Vlog. I'm in New York and I'm so excited because today is September 23rd, 2011 and it's the 2nd year anniversary of Mink Vlog. Thank you so much to everybody that visits daily, and today I wanted to do something very special. So it's the first ever Mink Vlog giveaway, but it's really fun because you get to be the art director, I'm the designer, and together we'll work and create an exclusive design just for you. It can be a poster, it can be an illustration, it could be a typography poster of your favorite quote, of your favorite song, whatever you want, we'll make it happen. So to enter the contest, all you have to do is like the new Mink Vlog Facebook fan page, which the link is right here. You just have to like it, that way I'll know who you are and I'll be able to contact you October 7th, which is when I'm going to randomly select a winner. So good luck and thank you so much.